Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get face tracking in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. Official Roblox website will open up, log in using your account, and you will be redirected to the homepage of your account. After that, click on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and select Settings. Inside Settings, click on Privacy tab and toggle on the camera feature of Roblox. After that, go to the Avatar tab from the left side menu and choose the avatar face with a face icon at its bottom. That's because only these faces are compatible with the movement feature, and also remove face smile, as they are not compatible with the camera feature. Now open any type of game you want to play, and once it opens up, go to this camera icon and enable it. You can see that my avatar's face and mouth is tracking my movement. And that's how you can get face tracking in Roblox. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.